Very warm welcome to all of you. I am Dr. Rajendra Raut, working as an assistant professor in GS College of Commerce, Wardha, and also coordinator of Career Guidance and Placement Cell. And we are here. Today is the first lecture in the Career Guidance and Placement Cell in the lecture series. We are continuing from today a lecture series of career opportunities available in various sectors. And this series continues from today, that is 6th of October 2020 to 12th of October 2020. So I request all the students to hear the guest lecture. It is not called as a guest lecture, but we will be sharing the knowledge that the career opportunities are available in various sectors. For that purpose, we will invite various persons to share their knowledge. Here is the principal of GS College of Commerce, Wardha, Dr. Sahibrao Chavan sir. Without wasting much time, I request Principal Dr. Sahibrao Chavan sir to share his views among the students. Dr. Sahibrao Chavan sir, Principal, GS College of Commerce, Wardha.
Very good afternoon, all of you. Dr. Mukul, good afternoon. शिक्षा मंडल द्वारा संचालित गोशे वाणिज्य महाविद्यालय वर्धा करियर काउंसलिंग एंड प्लेसमेंट सेल द्वारा इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम करियर काउंसलिंग आणि प्लेसमेंट सेल याचे समन्वयक डॉक्टर राजेंद्र राऊत सर यांनी हा कार्यक्रम, ज्याचं उद्घाटन डॉक्टर मुकुल बुरघाटे सरांकडून होत आहे. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, करियर काउंसलिंग आणि प्लेसमेंट सेल हे कोणत्याही महाविद्यालयाच्या परिसरामधील अत्यंत महत्त्वाचं सेल मानला जातो. कारण ज्या ज्या विद्यार्थ्यांना अकॅडमिक करिअरमध्ये ज्यांना पुढे चालून स्वतःचं व्यक्तिगत करिअर बनवायचं असते, त्यावेळेला त्या विद्यार्थ्यांना या करियर काउंसलिंग सेलच्या माध्यमातून तशा प्रकारचं मार्गदर्शन हे वेगवेगळ्या रिसोर्स पर्सनच्या माध्यमातून, वेगवेगळ्या विषयाच्या माध्यमातून त्यांच्यापर्यंत शेअरिंग केल्या जाते. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तसं पाहिलं तर रोजगार मार्गदर्शनाशी संबंधित आणि आयुष्यामध्ये ज्या गोष्टी आपल्याला करायच्या आहे त्याची निवड करत असताना अनेक गोष्टीचा विचार आपल्या मनामध्ये ठेवावा लागतो. आणि म्हणून विद्यार्थ्यांना वेळोवेळी महाविद्यालयाकडून आणि रोजगार मार्गदर्शन केंद्र आणि प्लेसमेंट सेल कडून अशा प्रकारचं मार्गदर्शन जेव्हा उत्स्फूर्तपणे मिळतो, तेव्हा विद्यार्थ्यांनी देखील या विशेष सेलचा त्या पद्धतीने त्याचा फायदा घ्यायला पाहिजे. जवळपास महाविद्यालयाच्या सेवेमध्ये असताना जवळपास मला 30 वर्षाचा अनुभव आणि काही काळापुरतं मी सुद्धा करियर काउन्सिलिंग आणि प्लेसमेंट सेलशी संबंधित होतो. मी विद्यार्थ्यांना आवर्जून एक गोष्ट सांगेन, आयुष्य घडवत असताना अनेक गोष्टी कराव्या लागतात. त्याच्याशी संबंधित असणाऱ्या गोष्टी करत असताना आणि आयुष्य कमी वयामध्ये त्या म्हणजे घडवत असताना किंवा आपण आपल्या जागेवर ज्या गोष्टी आपण निवडल्या आयुष्यामध्ये की ही गोष्ट मला करायची आहे, ती गोष्ट करत असताना ज्या गोष्टीचा आपण आधार घेतो आणि जी गोष्ट मनात ठेवून पुढे चालतो आपण, त्या गोष्टी करत असताना सुद्धा त्याची निवड करणं फार महत्त्वाची असते. म्हणजे सिलेक्शन फार महत्त्वाचं असते. आणि म्हणून माझं एक कोट वाक्य आहे विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी की ज्याला कमी वयामध्ये ह्या गोष्टी करायच्या असतील, कारण करत असताना म्हणजे विचार करणं वेगळं आणि त्या गोष्टी विचारात घेणं वेगळं. विचार करणारी जी मुलं असतात त्यांचं सर्चिंग करण्याची जी पद्धत असते, कारण कोणत्याही गोष्टीची निवड करणं, त्याचा शोध घेणं आणि आपल्याला करिअर घडवण्यासाठी आपल्याला पुढे त्या मार्गाने पुढे जाणं आणि यशस्वी होणं, ह्या सर्व ज्या गोष्टी असतात, ह्या गोष्टी सहजतेने विद्यार्थ्यांनी त्या विशिष्ट कालावधीमध्ये त्याच्या विद्यार्थी जीवनामध्ये ह्या सर्व गोष्टी ठरवून जर केल्या तर निश्चितपणे, आणि त्याच्याही मध्ये प्लेसमेंट सेल आणि करिअर काउन्सिलिंग सेल अशी एक सेल मानल्या जाते की अकॅडमिक करिअरमध्ये की स्मार्ट असणं वेगळं आणि स्मार्ट होऊन दाखवणं वेगळं. स्मार्ट या शब्दाचाच फार वेगळ्या पद्धतीनं म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये अर्थ जो आहे की त्याच्यामध्ये व्यक्ती हा स्पेसिफिक असला पाहिजे, त्यामध्ये व्यक्ती मिजरेबल असला पाहिजे, त्याचा ॲटिट्यूड जो आहे तो पॉझिटिव्ह असला पाहिजे, जर तो रिअलिस्टिक असला पाहिजे आणि हे सर्व टाइम बाउंड असलं पाहिजे, असा हा स्मार्ट शब्दाचा अर्थ. जर कोणत्याही गोष्टी वेळेच्या मर्यादेच्या आत विद्यार्थ्यांनी जर करिअरमध्ये केल्या आणि त्यामुळे जर आयुष्य जर समजा आयुष्यामध्ये करिअरची निवड करून जर तो जर स्थायी झाला तर निश्चितपणे तो त्या विशिष्ट मर्यादेमध्ये त्याला एक स्वतःच्या व्यक्तिगत आयुष्यामध्ये वेगळ्या पद्धतीचं पुढे चालून त्याचा आनंद मिळतो आणि आयुष्य चांगल्या पद्धतीनं उपभोगायला सुद्धा मिळतो. म्हणून मी एक शब्द सांगेन, जिंदगी काटना आणि जिंदगी बनाना. आयुष्य कोणीही काटू शकतो, परंतु आयुष्य बनवणारी फार कमी लोक असतात आणि ती मुलं जी असतात ती करिअर काउन्सिलिंग सेल आणि प्लेसमेंट सेल याचा आधार घेऊन, आणि त्याच्यामध्ये विशेषतः मी एवढं सांगेन की डॉक्टर मुकुल बुरघाटे किंवा माझ्याकडे करिअर काउन्सिलिंग सेलमध्ये त्याच्याशी संबंधित असणारे समन्वयक डॉक्टर राजेंद्र राऊत हे उत्स्फूर्तपणे काम करणारी लोक जेव्हा विद्यार्थ्यांच्या मार्गदर्शनासाठी पुढे येऊन ह्या सर्व ज्या गोष्टी करतात, निश्चितपणे विद्यार्थ्यांना एवढ्या गोष्टी ज्या आपसकून कुठेही मिळाल्या असत्या, परंतु आपल्याला कोणी दिशा दाखवणारा व्यक्ती जर योग्य पद्धतीने मिळाला, योग्य वेळेला मिळाला, तर आपल्याला पुढे चालून त्याचा निश्चितपणे आपल्या आयुष्यामध्ये फायदा होतो. मी आजच्या उद्घाटन प्रसंगी करिअर काउन्सिलिंग सेल आणि प्लेसमेंट सेल याच्याशी संबंधित करिअर अपॉर्च्युनिटी फॉर दी कॉमर्स स्टुडंट इन डिजिटल मार्केटिंग या विषयाशी संबंधित आपल्याला जे मार्गदर्शक म्हणून माझे मित्र डॉक्टर मुकुल बुरघाटे सर या उद्घाटन प्रसंगी जे मिळाले, निश्चितपणे विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो या विषयाशी संबंधित म्हणजे डिजिटल मार्केटिंग मध्ये सुद्धा कॉमर्सचे विद्यार्थी कशा पद्धतीने त्याची संधी अचीव करू शकतात, ती संधी उपलब्ध करून कशी घेऊ शकतात. आव्हानं प्रत्येक गोष्टीची असतात, परंतु ती आव्हानं जी आहे ती स्वीकारायची असतात, ती अंमलात आणायची असतात आणि ती अंमलात आणत असताना आज आपल्याला फार चांगले मार्गदर्शक मिळाले. डॉक्टर मुकुल बुरघाटे सर हे आपल्याला डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कॉमर्सच्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी किती महत्त्वाचं आहे आणि त्यामध्ये किती प्रकारच्या वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या संधी आपल्या समोर आहे. आज आपण पाहत आहोत की कोविड-19 मध्ये कॉमर्स आर्ट या फॅकल्टीशी संबंधित असणारी नॉन टेक्निकल एज्युकेशनशी संबंधित असणारी जे लोक होते त्या लोकांना सुद्धा ऑनलाईन बद्दल, डिजिटल बद्दल ज्या गोष्टी सहजतेने या विशिष्ट वातावरणामध्ये माहीत होऊन गेल्या, तर निश्चितपणे कॉमर्सच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग मध्ये सुद्धा कोणकोणत्या संधी आहे याच्याशी संबंधित सविस्तर मार्गदर्शन म्हणजे आमचे मित्र डॉक्टर मुकुल बुरघाटे सर करतील. आणि मी मुकुल बुरघाटे सरांचं महाविद्यालयाकडून विशेषतः डॉक्टर राजेंद्र राऊत समन्वयक करिअर काउन्सिलिंग सेल आणि प्लेसमेंट सेल यांच्याकडून विशेष आभार मानतो की ज्यांनी आमच्या शब्दाला मान दिला आणि या ठिकाणी आमच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना अशा प्रकारचं मार्गदर्शन करण्यासाठी जो वेळ दिला. तर मी पुनश्च महाविद्यालयाकडून त्यांचा आभार मानून मी माझे 2 शब्द या ठिकाणी संपवतो.
धन्यवाद चव्हाण सर. आज आपल्याला जे मार्गदर्शक म्हणून लाभलेले आहेत मुकुल बुरघाटे सर, एक थोडक्यात त्यांचा एक परिचय मी तुम्हाला देतो. डॉक्टर मुकुल बुरघाटे सर हे असोसिएट प्राध्यापक म्हणून PDI-MTR धनवटे नॅशनल कॉलेज नागपूर येथे मागच्या 20 वर्षापासून कार्यरत आहे. यासोबतच मॅनेजमेंटवरती आणि कॉमर्सवरती त्यांनी बरेचसे पुस्तकं लिहिलेली आहेत आणि बरेचसे त्यांचे रिसर्च पेपर हे नॅशनल इंटरनॅशनल मॅगझिनमध्ये हे पब्लिश झालेले आहेत. याच्या व्यतिरिक्त सर्वात महत्त्वाचं त्यांचं क्वालिफिकेशन म्हणजे सरांचं बी इंजिनिअरिंग आहे, म्हणजे इंजिनिअरिंग फॅकल्टी आहे. इंजिनिअरिंग फॅकल्टी नंतर MBA आणि कॉमर्समध्ये सेट ते पास आहेत. मला वाटते महाराष्ट्रातील क्वचितच दुसरा व्यक्ती असेल किंवा एक किंवा दोनच व्यक्ती असे आहेत की ज्यांचं इंजिनिअरिंग फॅकल्टी असल्यानंतरही कॉमर्समध्ये सेट एक्झामिनेशन त्यांनी क्लिअर केलेली आहे. नंतर ते सेट एक्झामिनेशन नंतर त्यांनी ते बंद करून टाकली की इंजिनिअरिंग व्यक्ती हा कॉमर्समध्ये देऊ शकणार नाही. परंतु तेव्हा ती बंद नव्हती. तेव्हा ते महाराष्ट्रातील जवळपास मला असं वाटते की एकमेव व्यक्ती आहेत की ज्यांनी कॉमर्समध्ये सेट परीक्षा क्लिअर केली आणि सेट परीक्षेवरती सुद्धा त्यांचे जे आहेत मार्गदर्शनपर पुस्तके बरीचशी आहेत. तर असे व्यक्ती आज आपल्याला लाभलेले आहेत आणि ती विषय त्यांनी असा निवडला आहे की करिअर अपॉर्च्युनिटीज इन डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. म्हणजे आज कोविड-19च्या सिच्युएशनमध्ये दोनच गोष्टी जास्त चालत आहे. एक तर मेडिसिन किंवा मेडिसिनचे रिलेटेड आणि दुसरं डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. आपण कॉमर्सचे स्टुडंट आहेत सगळे. आपण मेडिसिनचा विचार न करता कमीत कमी आपण डिजिटल मार्केटमध्ये किंवा या डिजिटलायझेशनच्या युगामध्ये किंवा या परिस्थितीमध्ये आपण आपलं करिअर कसं घडवू शकू तर आपल्याला निश्चितच त्यांच्याकडून मार्गदर्शन होईल. अधिक वेळ वाया न घालवता मी डॉक्टर मुकुल बुरघाटे सरांना विनंती करतो की त्यांनी विद्यार्थ्यांना मार्गदर्शन करावे. डॉक्टर मुकुल बुरघाटे सर. हां, बिलकुल येत आहे.
तर आपण चला सुरू करूया आपल्या प्रेझेंटेशनला. सर्वप्रथम मी स्लाइड शेअर नाही करणार कारण की मला 5 मिनिटं तुमच्याशी बोलायचं आहे. हे जनरल कन्सेप्ट काय, व्हॉट इज डिजिटल मार्केटिंग आणि हा टॉपिक मी का बरं. तर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इज नथिंग बट मार्केटिंग ओनली. म्हणजे आपण काय बरेचशा आपण कन्फ्युज होऊन जातो. डिजिटल मार्केटिंग म्हणजे सगळं कम्प्युटरशी निगडित आहे काय किंवा सर मराठीत राऊत सर मराठीत बोललं चालेल ना. हॅलो. तर सर्वप्रथम आय विल टॉक अबाउट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. डिजिटल मार्केटिंग बोलने के बाद बहुत बार अपन डर जाते हैं कि ये डिजिटल मार्केटिंग क्या है. तो मेरा सिंपल डेफिनेशन है, डेफिनेशन भी नहीं बोलूंगा, सिंपल इसका मीनिंग ये है कि डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इज नथिंग बट मार्केटिंग ओनली, एक्सेप्ट
हिंदी मध्ये चालेल, मराठी
नॉट फॉलोइंग द ट्रेडिशनल मार्केटिंग चॅनल. इसमें
हॅलो हॅलो
हॅलो, हा सर, ऐकायला येतोय
हॅलो
सर? एम आय ऑडिबल? हॅलो सर, हॅलो हॅलो
हॅलो हॅलो सर, हिंदी हिंदी मध्ये, हिंदी इंग्लिश. हम्म. हम्म. हम्म.
converted directly into Hindi. Probably there might be few terms related to Hindi, but I think we have to get ourselves well versed with English also. एक अपना जो लैंग्वेज है हिंदी, तो ये नेशनल लैंग्वेज है, राइट? नेशनल लैंग्वेज की जानकारी सभी को चाहिए ही चाहिए, बट डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के सभी जो प्लेटफॉर्म्स है, I'll come to those platform. What are the platforms of digital marketing? तो ये सारे डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के प्लेटफॉर्म्स है, ये ऑपरेट होते हैं इंग्लिश में. That's why you should be having a good knowledge of English also. That is one of the requirement. I'll be coming to you. I'll be coming to it. I'll be talking about that aspect also. Why you should be good in English. I won't say very excellent. Even average person with average English can do excellent digital marketing, provided he knows and understand all the platforms that are available to him, which most of the times comes free of cost. कंपनीज को बहुत बार लागत बहुत कम आती है ट्रेडिशनल मार्केटिंग के कंपेयर में, जब कंपनीज ये डिजिटल मार्केटिंग यूज करती है. तो लेट अस गो टू आवर स्लाइड पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन सो दैट थिंग्स बिकम मच सिंपल, राइट? आई विल शेयर माय स्लाइड विथ यू. कैन यू सी द स्लाइड? राउत सर, क्या इज माय स्लाइड विजिबल नाउ? हेलो राउत सर, स्लाइड दिख रही है क्या सर मेरी? हेलो राउत सर, स्लाइड दिख रही है? फाइन. लेट अस गो टू द फर्स्ट स्लाइड. Career opportunities for commerce student in digital marketing. The who, what, why, and how of digital marketing. Here I have tried to cover up the entire aspect of digital marketing. Now let us come to the definition or to the explanation of what exactly is digital. Hello. What exactly is digital marketing? Now, as I said, digital marketing is.
हेलो सर, हाँ स्लाइड दिख रही है सर, स्लाइड
दिख रही है ना? ओके फाइन फाइन. सो डिजिटल, ऑल ऑफ यू नो व्हाट डज द टर्म डिजिटल मींस. डिजिटल ये वर्ड कहां से आया? डिजिटल, आपको पता है डिजिट्स क्या होते हैं? 0 1 2 3 4 5. दीज आर ऑल डिजिट्स. 0 1 2 3 4 5. And in electronics, instead of using the word digital, I'll use electronic media, because electronic media uses the digits 0 and 1. 0 stands for stop and 1 stands for start, or 0 stands for nil and 1 stands for full. So directly digital marketing is nothing but marketing electronic channels. That's why it is called as digital marketing. Now, what are different types and the career opportunities for commerce graduate? How come this digital marketing is related to commerce graduate? As I said earlier, digital marketing is nothing but marketing in itself, but through different channels, through modern channels, not through conventional channels which were used earlier by the companies. These channels are very much target audiences. The cost is, and it comes very handy to the company or market. To the first definition of what is digital marketing. Digital marketing is all about using digital platform like websites, blogs, social media, mobile marketing to reach the target audience. डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कैसा यूज किया जाता है? ये सब डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म लाइक वेबसाइट्स, आपकी कॉलेज की वेबसाइट होगी, कंपनीज की खुद की वेबसाइट होती है, बहुत सारे फ्री वेबसाइट्स अवेलेबल है, लाइक विकिपीडिया इज वन, यूट्यूब इज देयर, फेसबुक इज देयर, राइट? Blogs. What is blogs? Blogs is nothing but writing an article on internet. There are plenty of free websites available. WordPress is one of the famous websites, WordPress.com or WordPress.org. Blogger.com. Blogger.com is again one of the free websites available, wherein you can write, you can publish those articles free of cost, which are there to be viewed by the people who are interested in your topic. Social media marketing. What is social media? All of you are using it. WhatsApp is one of the very good example, which Facebook is there. Facebook is one of the social media platform. And we have Twitter, and we have LinkedIn is there. Plenty of such. सर, सर आपका इको आ रहा है. Your echo is coming. Can you please mute your mouth? Can you please mute your mic? Because your echo is coming. Yeah. सिर्फ सर माइक को म्यूट कर दीजिए, उसको स्टॉप कर दीजिए माइक. फाइन. I'll again start sharing the screen. Okay. So social media. Is social media तो we all are using it every day. We are using it right from early in the morning till the end of the day. We keep on using this social media. Now, how this social media can be used for marketing various products of a company? How it can be used to market ourselves? Like LinkedIn, I have said, told you, it is a very good networking site wherein you can get in connected with lot of professional people. And you can create your own network. You can market yourself. You can market your profile. You can reach out to a target audience. For example, the recruiters. जॉब्स आपको चाहिए होगा तो लिंक्डइन पे आपका स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रोफाइल होना बहुत ही जरूरी है. मोबाइल मार्केटिंग. व्हाट इज मोबाइल मार्केटिंग? इट इज नथिंग बट यू कैन सेंड एसएमएस थ्रू मोबाइल्स, राइट? व्हाट्सएप तो है ही है. You have now Telegram is there. Plenty of other free platforms are available to reach out to the target audience. Now, what is this target audience? This target audience is nothing but the people who would be interested in your product, services, or people who would be interested in recruiting you, knowing your profile, understanding your profile. They'll come to know what sort of person or personality you are. Now, why is this digital marketing very important? Digital marketing is the future of marketing. In fact, it is not the future, I would say it is a present. Future is yet to come. It is present. Now itself we have to start learning what is digital marketing. If we do not learn digital marketing, probably we are going to perish. हम लोग खत्म हो जाएंगे. अगर मार्केटिंग में जॉब करना है या अपने को लगता है कि मुझे जॉब मिलना चाहिए, अच्छा जॉब मिलना चाहिए, wherein I can utilize whatever I have learned. So digital marketing is the only platform. If you are still using traditional ways to promote your business, then it's time to switch your focus on digital platform for promotion. बहुत सारे कंपनीज दे हैव ऑलरेडी शिफ्टेड टू दिस डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म. जो कन्वेंशनल वेज यूज कर रहे थे प्रमोट करने के लिए बिजनेस, प्रॉब्ली कुछ दिन में दोस पीपल आर गोइंग टू पेरिश. दे विल स्लोली एंड स्टेडीली डाई डाउन. वो टिक नहीं पाएंगे डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के सामने. इसके बहुत सारे रीजंस है, उदाहरण भी है. रीजंस मैं एक एक करके आपको आगे बताऊंगा. नाउ व्हाट इज द की enabler of the digital marketing? What is the media? Media is internet. It is digital marketing cannot exist without internet. Internet का होना जरूरी है if you want to promote your organization, your company, your product, your services to the right audience, to the target audience we call it. So use of internet is necessary and we all are using it. In fact, बहुत सारे आपके मोबाइल जो players है, they are offering you free data every day. Jio is one of a good example. Airtel is there, right? So they are giving you free data. In fact, they are giving you free voice calling and free data per day. I mean to say, you have to pay certain charges for it, but the data comes at a very nominal cost, which can be utilized to promote yourself, to promote your organization, to promote your products. Now, let us go to another slide. So before I go to this slide, let me tell you one of the survey which took place in United States in the year 2018, which says that the survey which was carried out with a lot many people who are using online platform, what they found out was surprising. 90% of the US consumer or end user do visit the product or brand for online. They would try to compare. They would like to carry out their own survey before they actually visit a store for making a purchase. मुझे जैसा iPhone, iPad लेना था for my child. So what we did is we searched it on the internet, and then we compared. Then we went to the store and compared the price of internet. So Apple iPad, it was almost same because Nagpur has only one retail shop, so we didn't have the advantage of shopping online. But now what is happening? Shopping online has become more convenient, more cheaper than going to a shop. It comes with lot of incentives also, plenty of cashback associated with many products, not with almost all products, but you will get cashbacks also. And the best part is you will get service also. We are afraid कि नहीं मैं online order करूँगा mobile phone, for example. If I order a mobile phone online, then what about the services? Now, in fact, most of the companies, they have set up their service center or customer care center of their organization in most of the metros, most of the big towns. So if you face any issue, you can give call to the customer care and the service will come handy. It will come at your doorstep. You need not worry about the service. You need not visit any store to get your phone or whatever product you have ordered repaired or extended warranty if you want. That can be done online. Now, I'll be talking about online method used to build brand awareness. First of all, what ये brand awareness क्या होता है? Building brand awareness. You know, there are plenty of brands. Mobile phone, as I said, Apple, then Samsung is there, then Apple is there. Plenty of brands are there. Laptops, HP is there. Television, Sony is there, right? Then Mi is there. MI is there, right? In mobile, again, coming back to mobile, Redmi is there. So these are all brand. And how to create awareness of this brand? How will the people come to know that such and such brand exists for such and such product? It will be only when you create awareness. And how this awareness is created nowadays? पहले क्या होता था? पेपर में बहुत बड़ी ad आ जाती थी, जो लाखों या डिपेंड ऑन द साइज ऑफ द एड, हो सकता है करोड़ों भी लिखते थे, क्योंकि सर्कुलेशन मैटर करता है, कब डाल रहे हैं आप वो एड, किसको टारगेट कर रहे हैं, कौन सा न्यूज़पेपर यूज कर रहे हैं. तो ये ट्रेडिशनल एडवर्टाइजमेंट, आउटडोर एडवर्टाइजमेंट काफी प्रचलित था पहले. कन्वेंशनल एडवर्टाइजमेंट था आउटडोर, देन न्यूज़पेपर, जर्नल एडवर्टाइजमेंट, मैगजीन एडवर्टाइजमेंट वेयर देयर, which used to cost lot of, even television advertisement was there, radio advertisement was there for creating or building brand awareness. Now all these things are slowly getting washed out. I would say they have not died out, and it's not going to die out completely. The importance of traditional marketing is going to remain, but slowly and steadily this digital platform or this digital marketing is going to overtake. Rather, it has overtaken the traditional form of marketing. Now, what are these online methods? It is through search engine optimization. Now, what is this SEO, search engine optimization? It is nothing but आप लोगों को पता है, मुझे कोई प्रोडक्ट ढूंढना है तो मैं डायरेक्ट गूगल पे जाता हूँ and put the name of that product. If I want to purchase, for example, shoes, Nike shoes, for example, or for that matter, Levi's jeans, for example. So what I'll do, I'll go on Google and search for Levi's jeans. Or if I just put jeans, then plenty of option will come in front of me. Levi's, then you have Lee jeans, then you have Wrangler jeans, and numbers of brands are there. Now, how will my brand get the top priority? जब कोई सर्च करता है जीन्स के लिए और फॉर दैट मैटर स्पोर्ट्स शूज के लिए, तो मेरा प्रोडक्ट सबसे ऊपर कैसे दिखेगा? इट इज नथिंग बट सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन. उसमें ऐसे कीवर्ड्स यूज किए जाते हैं जो प्रोबेबली और पॉसिबली जो एंड यूजर्स यूज कर रहे हैं फॉर सर्चिंग दैट प्रोडक्ट. तो इट इज अ टेक्निक. इट इज नॉट वेरी टेक्निकल, बट इट इज अ टेक्निक विच कैन बी लर्न इवन बाय अ कॉमर्स ग्रेजुएट. सी, पहले एक तो मिसकंसेप्शन अपने को ये निकाल देना है कि डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में मुझे सॉफ्टवेयर आना जरूरी है. बिल्कुल जरूरी नहीं है. You will not have a single knowledge of single software. All that you need to have is in-depth knowledge of all these digital platforms being used by most of the companies to market their product, social media platforms which are being used by the youngsters, which are being used by the people who are earning income, right? And those platforms which are being used by the children also. So if you are aware of all this platform, then you need not be having any knowledge of the software. C++ आना कोई जरूरी नहीं है. आपको सॉफ्टवेयर का नॉलेज रहा तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, nothing like that. But even if you do not have the knowledge of the software, you can still manage this digital marketing. As I said, because I made the definition very simple. Digital marketing, just remove the word digital, you call it modern marketing or call it electronic marketing, right? So marketing through electronics platform, it can be through mobile, it can be through internet, it can be through television. Television is again a part of digital marketing, I would say, not entirely, but it comes as a part of, because since it's the electronic media, even your radio for that matter, Radio Mirchi is there, plenty of FM channels are there, which are coming handy and which charge very less compared to traditional channels of marketing. Now, search engine marketing. Search engine marketing is something which is similar to search engine optimization. Here you are using the search engine to market your product and services, right? And social media marketing, which I have already explained you. Social media marketing is nothing but using the all social media platform, as I told you earlier, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, right? Instagram, all sort of social media which are used by the common people can be used effectively for marketing the products and services of the organization. तो इसका नॉलेज आपको रहता है, ये सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स का, सारे एप्स का, तो यू कैन बी अ गुड डिजिटल मार्केटिंग मैनेजर. आपको सॉफ्टवेयर का नॉलेज होना बिल्कुल ही जरूरी नहीं है. ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज लर्न ऑल दिस एप्स, हाउ दे ऑपरेट, हाउ यू कैन टारगेट ऑडियंस और द करेक्ट सेगमेंट ऑफ द डेमोग्राफिक. So this is all what is needed, and this is what we are using every day. There is nothing new. There is no rocket science in this. आप बोलोगे सर आप नया क्या बता रहे इसमें? नया, there is nothing new in it. In fact, we have become habitual to all this digital platform now, and COVID-19 had compelled us to use all this platform, including using what not UPI transaction. I can pay through Paytm, I can pay through Phone Pay, I can pay through Google Pay. Lot many, JioPay is there, we have Amazon Pay is there. Lot many platform has come up through which you can do shopping, you can make payment of your bills. Electricity bill is there, gas bill is there. Yesterday itself I have done an online booking for my gas refill. Now I need not go anywhere. It was there previously, but now we are being compelled to use this platform, which is good for the people who are learned, who are educated. Now things are getting more organized, things are getting more streamlined for people who are educated. You will get more opportunities in this organization. The organization would like to hire the person who is learned rather than person who is just 12th pass or who is just graduate and just can do door-to-door marketing. Communication fine remains one of the key concern. If communication has to be good, but it can be developed over a period of time. If you just keep on attending this type of workshops, right? As it was rightly said by Chauhan sir at the start of the lecture, that what smart, you need to be smart, right? No, I'll add one more word to it. Street smart is one additional word which makes you street smart means something अपने हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, काफी चंट है बच्चा, काफी चंट है. He's very smart. I'm to say smart not only from looking point of view, but one who can act fast, one who can adopt to new technologies, one who can cope up with the new technologies and new platforms that are coming in. So this is what is needed to be street smart, and you need to have direction. GS College of Commerce Varda has given you the right platform, right direction to know what are the opportunities that are available in the market. What are the various opportunities? Even in this COVID time, what is happening is there are plenty of job openings being created in companies like Amazon, like Google, like Cognizant is there, plenty of TCS is there, even Mindtree is there. In educational digital platforms also, Byju's are there, Byju's is there, Topper platform is there. Plenty of digital platform has come up which are utilizing the services or which are hiring the people who are good in marketing. They need not be good in software, but who are good in marketing and who knows how to use this particular platform. So this is what is needed if you want to enter into this digital marketing. And let me tell you, you don't have option in future. Everything is going to be digital. Rather, it has become digital, as I said earlier. So 90% of the people were using 2018, they were using this digital platform to shop for the product. Now the figure or the percentage has gone almost to 100%. Rather, I won't say 199.99%. So I can count it as 100% only. So one of the key objective of modern digital marketing is to raise brand awareness. The extent to which customer and general public are familiar with and recognize a particular brand. एक मेरा brand का logo भी उनको दिख गया, तो they should be able to recognize my brand, which I would say I have created brand awareness about my product and services, which earlier also companies were doing. Now also they are doing it. But now digital marketing or digital platforms are coming very handy with almost no or very negligible cost compared to traditional form of marketing. वो जमाना गया जहाँ पे ऑटो जाता था अपना पोंगा लेके, जो बोलते हैं ना अपन, जिसमें लाउड स्पीकर लगा रहता था, सर्कस आई है आपके शहर में, आपके शहर में ये सेल लगा है, उसकी अभी जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती है. सब कुछ व्हाट्सएप पे, यू कैन सेंड मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स, योर ब्रोशर्स ऑन द व्हाट्सएप, एंड इट विल, यू कैन सेंड इट डायरेक्टली टू द टारगेट ऑडियंस, द पीपल हु are looking out for such type of products. You take use of, or you can take help of the professional to target the right audience. So this is what is happening in digital marketing. तो पहले तो अपने को misconception ये निकाल देना है कि मैं smart नहीं हूँ. All you have to do is start using this digital platform and start taking help of the people who can guide you out, because see, there is plenty of information that is available in the market. नेट पे तो इतनी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन है. मेरे दोस्त लोग गूगल को गूगल बाबा बोलते हैं, बहुत सारे लोग गूगल गुरु बोलते हैं. बट दैट गूगल गुरु विल जस्ट गिव यू इंफॉर्मेशन, इट वोंट गिव यू डायरेक्शन. सही डायरेक्शन, सही दिशा होनी चाहिए, तो ही आप आपके मंजिल तक पहुंच पाओगे. if you know the right path, if you know the right direction, then and then only you can achieve whatever target or whatever objectives you have set for your life. if you are supposed to move in north direction and you are directed to go in north direction, probably you won't be able to reach your goal. Probably you'll reach the south pole if you wanted to go to north pole. So knowing the right direction is important. And where are you going to get it? Not everything is available on Google. I'm going to say everything is available, but right directions are not available. So you need to be very choosy when plenty of information comes in front of you. You need to apply your presence of mind. You need to apply your brain in knowing what is right and what is wrong. So getting right information is again very important. So what are the career avenues? Let us come to this because we all are interested in this. Career avenues and tactics involved in non-linear or digital marketing, we call it. See, another word for digital marketing is non-linear marketing also, which involves efforts to adopt the advertising to different platforms and to tailor the advertising to different individual buyers rather than large coherent group. सारे लोगों को टारगेट, जैसे मर्सिडीज बेंज फॉर एग्जांपल, आई वुड से मर्सिडीज बेंज का नाम सुना होगा. इट्स अ टॉप एंड मॉडल इन 4-wheeler segment, right? So these people won't be giving ad in television. These people won't be putting ad on the roadside, जो अपन पोस्टर्स बोलते हैं, बैनर्स बोलते हैं, बिल बोर्ड्स भी बोलते हैं इसको फॉरेन में, बिल बोर्ड्स, the outdoor advertisement we call it. They won't be targeting the large audience because they are more interested in knowing the specific audience which will be more interested in their products. iPhone, for example, Apple phone, for example, they won't be putting their advertisement on television, or they won't be putting their advertisement in newspaper also. For that matter, they'll put their advertisement in industrial magazines. They'll try to target people who have certain type of income, right? So these are their target audience. They will be targeting people having certain type of lifestyle, people who would like to purchase niche product. Niche यानी एक special यानी अलग से हटके product रहता है, जहाँ पे pricing matters a lot. Pricing is very different than the regular product. It is not meant for people middle class or lower middle class or even for upper middle class. It is meant for niche people or people who would rather get fascinated with this type of products, for whom price do not matter. आपके लिए और मेरे लिए शायद pricing बहुत ज़्यादा important रहता है. Product का तो quality and other thing also matters. Probably I won't go and purchase a Chinese phone, but मैं ये देखूंगा कि मेरा हाथ में जो phone है, it is going to impress. Maybe not Apple phone, but the phone which does have its own brand value, own brand awareness. So I'll try to purchase such type of products. So this digital platform comes very handy to target individual buyers rather than targeting larger audience through print media or through other form of media where the costing is very high. And most of the time your advertisement goes waste because it do not reach the individual buyer or individual audience or the end user which the company would like to target. So this is what digital marketing is doing. It is doing the right job for the company, as I said, with very less or with very minimal cost. तो ये costing बहुत matter कर रहा है आज के डेट में, because spending on advertisement has gone very drastically down. Company would like to pass on the expenses or pass on the benefit of advertising to the product pricing rather than spending much on advertising and keeping the product high in price. They would like to offer plenty of discount. For example, Amazon sales are there, Flipkart sales are there, because here marketer is able to directly reach to the target audience through those platforms, shopping platforms. Plenty of other shopping platforms are there. For clothing, different shopping platform is there. For specs, Lenskart is there. So here what is happening, the company is able to, or the marketer is able to directly reach out to their target audience. So what are they saving? They are saving on the middleman, the distribution channel they are saving, and they are saving on the advertisement. So all this thing, the company can offer plenty of discounts to the end user because they don't have to invest in retail chain. They don't have to invest in wholesalers and distributors. They don't have to advertise. The people will go on this app, they will search for the product, they'll get the endless list of the products with comparison, with all sort of reviews from the people who have already purchased the product. Reviews can be positive, negative, both. After going through it, you can decide which product is good, which product probably is not good. So all these platforms are coming very handy for both for the marketers and both for the end users. So this is how the digital marketing is happening. See, again, no rocket science or no science involved in this. It is simple. The digital marketing is acting as a medium or media between the marketer and the end user or the consumer or the customer, you can call it. So what this digital marketing has done is it has tried to sideline the traditional channels, traditional platforms of marketing, with added advantage to both to the end user and to the marketer or manufacturer, we can call it. Manufacturer is again another word which is quite old. Nowadays, marketers is the right word being used. For example, as I said, Nike never manufactures shoes. They are just marketer of Nike brand. That is brand awareness. Shoes are made by somebody else. Similarly, jeans, Levi's jeans or Lee jeans or Wrangler jeans. What else is there? UFO jeans are there. Plenty of other brand names are there, which the company never manufacture the jeans cloth. Most of the company purchase it through Arvind manufacturer, which comes from India. So Arvind is the largest exporter of jeans jeans cloth, I would say. And all this company are just creating the brand awareness. All this company are doing what? They are creating the brand awareness of this particular brand, so that for the end user who is manufacturing what doesn't matter. Ultimately, what matters is the brand image, brand logo, right? Brand word, which comes with the added advantage, which comes with what you call it, self-esteem, which comes with a pride or proud, I would say. If I'm owning something, I feel proud because that has certain brand name. If I'm having Apple phone, as I said, if I'm having Mercedes-Benz, then definitely my esteem will be very high because I'm owning a brand. I'm not owning only a four-wheeler. I'm owning a brand. So this is what is mattering nowadays. It is all because of this digital marketing. Now, fine, without wasting much of a time, because time limitation is there. I've been allotted time till 1 o'clock. Probably we'll try to wind up before that only. But coming to career avenues or career opportunities that are available. What are the career opportunities? एक कॉमर्स ग्रेजुएट के लिए आप बोलोगे सर व्हाट आर द डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, मेरा तो कोई संबंध नहीं डिजिटल से. I have never learned computers. I do not know how to operate computers. But my dear friends, all of we know how to operate an Android phone. And this is what is needed. That's why my first slide, if you go to first slide, you can see a gentleman sitting with a Android or digital phone or mobile phone, which is having what not. It is having what? Twitter, it is having email, it is having Google Plus, it is having Facebook, it is having all shopping sites, it is having LinkedIn, right? It is having camera, you can connect to your friends. Facebook, as I said, is there. So this is what are the platforms of which you should have the proper knowledge. You should be able to operate this platform. This is what is needed. You did not have even laptop also. A good handset, a good Android handset with good speed, with good GB, 4 GB or maybe 6 GB or 8 GB, good speed, internet speed is what is required. With good memory, so that you can store a lot of PowerPoint presentation like this, which I have created. You can have plenty of photos stored. You can have plenty of numbers stored. You can have plenty of apps which you can download, including the shopping apps and others apps, social media apps should be there on your mobile phone, and you should be able to operate these apps. This is what is needed nowadays. And if you are well aware or well versed with all these apps, then probably you can be a good digital manager, as I said. So search engine optimization is one of the career avenue, which where you have to learn a bit of technical aspect also, but it is again not very difficult. Learning how to optimize the search engine. If I put certain product name in the Google, for example, or any for that matter, any search engine, my company's name or my product name should come up, for which various techniques can be applied by the marketer, by the manufacturer, so that their company's website, their company's products comes on the top. So this particular first avenue or first career opportunity comes in what? Comes in search engine optimization, SEO we call it. That is a short form for it. Social media marketing is, again, you can be a good social media marketer for a organization. You can use various platforms. You can create a Facebook page of your organization, a Facebook page for your product. Because see, nowadays, almost all companies are having their Facebook page. For example, Ponds, Fair and Lovely, if I talk about these cosmetic products. So they do have their own Facebook page. They do have their own LinkedIn, wherein they do have their own Twitter handles. They do have their own, WhatsApp groups also, wherein you can join them. And the next aspect is video marketing. Now, what is this video marketing? YouTube, all of you know, you must have heard this name, YouTube. We often go to YouTube when we want to know something. If my cylinder got leakage, then I took the help of YouTube channel to know how to fix up the leakage. So it can come handy for almost all sort of thing. If I just want to know what was the theory proposed by Einstein, then probably YouTube will explain me in very better fashion than just searching out on Google. YouTube will show me a video explaining what was the first theory proposed by Einstein, or for that matter, who is the father of modern management or scientific management. So all this thing comes very handy when you do video marketing. Like for my particular journal, that is International Journal for Commerce and Management Studies, we have created our own Facebook page. We have our own YouTube channel where we upload various videos of workshop like this. This is recorded and this is uploaded by one of our colleagues. So this videos remains there for lifetime. Anybody can go on this particular websites and visit my channel, visit the organization channel and see these videos, see these products. And this will increase the brand awareness of my organization, of my product, of the services which I am offering to the end user or the customer. So video marketing is again one of the area. If you are good in just shooting something, अगर आपको शौक है कि आप पिक्चर्स लेने का शौक है या फिर वीडियोस बनाने का शौक है, डूबता हो सूरज का वीडियो बना रहे हो, then you are making a video of your friend making fun of another friend, then probably you can be a very good video marketing manager for the organization. Here all you have to do is utilize this platform to market your product to the end users through this particular websites. Then comes email marketing. All of we know, we receive n numbers of emails from the people to whom we do not know. जो लोगों को नहीं जानते, ऐसे भी ब्लॉग, ऐसे भी स्पैम मैसेजेस आते हैं, अपने को ईमेल मैसेजेस आते हैं जिसमें ऑप्शन रहता है अनसब्सक्राइब. You can unsubscribe such type of emails if you are not interested in those services or those products. So these emails most of the times come for free, and these are being used massively by most of the organization nowadays. So for this also a separate opportunity is there, separate post is there, or maybe this will be overlapping with other posts. Probably you will be giving a profile of email marketing and video marketing, but it depends on what sort of company's product is there, and it depends on what sort of company's services are there. So all these things which we already are doing it, we need not learn it separately. All we have to do is do it professionally. Start thinking from the point of view of organization. कि एक organization को क्या चाहिए? What exactly they are looking out for when they are going to hire digital managers or digital marketing managers. तो इसमें ये सारी चीजें आती है. Then blogging is you are creating a rapport with the society. Blogging is nothing but creating awareness, writing an article about your organization, supposingly your organization is carrying out a social activity, CSR we call it, corporate social activity, which ultimately should reach out to the society. That Tata group of company has donated so much of money for COVID-19, right? All of you must have heard this news a few days back. Ratan Tata, he donated, I think more than 150 crores he donated to the Honorable Prime Minister of India. So all these things need to be highlighted, and through where they are going to highlight, not through advertising, not through video marketing, but that can be highlighted through blogging. Blogger.com is a free website. You can visit this website and you can write your own articles. You can write about yourself, or you can write about any general social issues. Right now, to start with, कंपनी में जब ज्वाइन करोगे तब तो आप कंपनी के प्रोडक्ट में लिखोगे ही लिखोगे. यू विल बी राइटिंग अबाउट कंपनी सर्विसेज विच आर बीइंग ऑफर्ड. But right now you can start practicing by just putting simple blogs. They are called like para जैसे बोलते हैं ना, वैसे blogs. Blogs are small articles which are free for everybody and which are read by general audience. It need not be a target audience, but it is to create awareness. It is to create brand awareness of that organization. It is to create goodwill. It is to encash on the goodwill of the organization. Then comes website marketing. Now this is again very simple. This do again have a separate portfolio or profile needed for the organization. Company, almost all professional companies have their own website which need to be managed professionally. They need to have a separate manager for these websites, which can keep updated this website. They can post new products on this website. They can post various offers that are being made by the organization. They can post the social activities being done by the organization. They can talk about the technical aspects of the product on these websites. So again, this particular aspect do have one more job opportunities for commerce graduates. I'm to say all this paid search, contextual paid search again is one of the area. Paid search, you pay to Google and your ad or your website will come on the top. Now this is nothing but the form of paid search. You pay for your company to be highlighted at the top. So when somebody puts for a product which your company is manufacturing, your company's website or your company's product will come on the top. Now all these things are overlapping with each other, and most of the time you might get the entire profile or portfolio to handle for. Depends on, because see, for a commerce graduate, if you are a freshers, then entering into digital marketing can give you monthly income from 20,000 to 40,000 if you are good in all these digital platform. Only to start with, somebody for a freshers getting 20 to 40,000, and many times you can work from home because you need not be going to office every time, especially in this COVID-19 era or period. Most of this digital platform comes very handy, where you can operate it anywhere. Even while traveling, you can keep on working. Sitting home, you can keep on working, or else you can visit the office if your company demands so. So, as I said, this all areas you should be thinking about: search engine optimization, social media marketing, video marketing, email marketing, which are not new to us, which is nothing new to us. Now, what are the advantages or benefits of digital marketing? There are plenty of advantages. Plenty, I would say, compared to traditional marketing, I can make a list of more than 50 advantages. But here I have listed only 6 which are major advantages, which covers up most of the advantages which are there to the company, which are there to the end users, and which are there to the organization. First advantage is it allows companies to promote themselves to large, diverse audience that could not be reached through traditional marketing, such as phone, email-based advertising. Email और phone-based advertising भी अभी traditional marketing हो गया है. You need to be well versed with website platform. You need to be well versed with blogging platforms or blogging websites. You need to be very good in search engine optimization, search engine marketing. So ये चीजें आपको काफी आसानी से free of cost you will get it on websites only if you search out. You need not join any particular course for that. Most of the things you can learn sitting at home. All you need to do is attend such type of workshop where you will get a right direction on what to do and what not to do. This is what is needed. So the second advantage or benefit is marketing on most social and media platforms comes at a little to no cost making. It accessible to virtually any size business. As I said earlier, most of these social media platform do not cost you much, or they would not cost you anything also. एक ही जगह जैसे paid search करना है, तो probably I'll be paying to Facebook or to Google to highlight my website or to highlight my product. But many of the time it comes free only. Accommodate, personalize and direct marketing that target specific demographic and markets. It banks, it is bullseye marketing, I would say. It will hit the right target. जैसे जनरल एक टेलीविजन पे ऐड डाल दिया तो जरूरी नहीं है कि मैं टारगेट ऑडियंस को पहुंच रहा हूं. फॉर एग्जांपल चॉकलेट्स, if I put the chocolates ad probably in the morning time when the children are going to school, I'm talking about prior to COVID. Now the schools are almost closed for so many months, almost 4 to 5 months they are closed. But prior to that, slot was very important. कौन सा slot में क्या डाला जाए? दोपहर में products जो target करते हैं housewives, then ladies, right? Who are there at home or those who are free. So that advertisement, I just have to scan this WhatsApp message. Here I'm having this WhatsApp QRL posted on my keyboard. I just have to scan this and I can get connected to HP customer service. So this is one of the major advantage. The company can engage directly with customers directly, with the target customers, allowing them to obtain feedback, resolve issues almost immediately. Here, why they have posted this particular WhatsApp, so that I can directly connect with the people, customer care people who can sort out my issues. Like warranty issues are there, technical issues are there. They will come directly in my support. They can give a call to me and they can sort out my issue. Fifth advantage is ideal environment for a company to conduct market research. It is very handy. When I post something on Facebook and people start liking that particular product, probably what I'm doing is I'm doing marketing research on my particular product. I'm getting the opinion of people on how my particular product is. They can react positively, negatively, both, but it will give me added advantage or ideal environment to conduct market research. Sixth benefit and advantages can be used as a mean of obtaining information about competitors and boost competitive advantage. You will also come to know what your competitors are doing through going through their websites. You can find out age or their product. You can rearrange your pricing. You can rearrange your packaging. You can rearrange your promotions. So accordingly, just by knowing what competitors are doing, you can have integrated marketing communication sort of thing, which the subject which I am taking for MBAs. IMC says that integrating all this thing becomes integrated marketing communication. Communication means communicating with the target audience or with the end user or with the consumers, customers. And the last advantage which I would like to tell is social platform can be used to promote brand events, deals and news. social platform, as I said earlier, like blogging. Blogging can be used to create social awareness, social events. You can have social event. You can have public relation through this social media platform, Facebook, Twitter, right, LinkedIn, and numbers of platforms are there. So even if you just study the market leader, Facebook is one of the good example. WhatsApp, if I talk about mobile phones, through mobile phones, if I want to promote something, this social media platform can create news for all of you people. So this is all I can say about this. I think I'm running out of time, but I hope all of you followed what I want to say. There is plenty of scope for not only for technical people in this digital marketing, but rather I would say people with good communication skill, people who have command on various language, including English. English is one of the prime language wherein you can reach out to the international, as well as internal audience. Internal national audience, and international, you can reach out to the global audience. Now the boundaries are not the limit, which used to be there with the traditional marketing. Now here your target audience is global population. So here boundaries are not limit, and you can reach out to the entire globe with whatever service and product you are offering. So just you have to keep in mind that you need to be good in communication. That is the prime necessity of marketing, whether traditional or digital. If you are not good in communication, then probably you are not a good marketer. So communication कैसा अच्छा होगा जब आपकी लैंग्वेज में थोड़ी कमांड या पकड़ आएगी. Excellent rate, nothing like that, then you can be a wonderful marketer. But even if average communicator, you can slowly improvise on your communication, improvise on your English, improvise on your Hindi, because see, all languages will come handy. If I want to target somebody in Maharashtra, then probably and rural market in Maharashtra, probably if I am knowing Marathi, then that language will come handy to me. If I am having a command on Marathi, if I want to target audience Gujarat, probably I should be knowing Gujarati, or I should be able to communicate in Gujarati. Same thing applies to other states. But if I want to target the global audience, then I need to have good command on English, both spoken, written, and I should be able to read it properly also. So what you have to do in this COVID-19 lockdown period, जहाँ समय मिल रहा है, college start नहीं हो रहा है, try to improvise on your English. And how are you going to do it? Watch plenty of news channels. English news channels are there. BBC is good example. NDTV Profit is there. Watch business news channels. Watch other news channels like Discovery. Watch cartoon channels in English. Hindi में मत दीजिए. तो फिर captions in English, that is also permitted. मैं मेरे लड़की को समझाता हूँ कि if you children are there early in the morning, when they get up, they start because they are they are bored up at home. Probably they'll be keeping on watching Cartoon Network, right? Cartoon channels. So I said, fine, nothing wrong, but at least see to it that you put on the English caption. Caption पता है नीचे आता है लिख के English में. Whatever the cartoon character is speaking, it will come on on the bottom in English. Even if they are able to grasp few of the words in a given period of time, maybe 10 minutes or half an hour, 2-3 शब्द भी पढ़ लेते हैं, कान पे चले जाते हैं या वो देख लेते हैं, तो that is going to improvise their English. As an adult, as a PG student, as a UG student, we can see business channels, we can see news channels in English. See to it that you watch English movies also. जैसे अवतार मैं देख रहा था कुछ दिन पहले, अवतार recently released, not recently, few years back. So if you promote yourself to watch it in English, then probably in this COVID time era when we have plenty of time, if you can have a command on English, then probably you will be a good marketing manager, digital marketing manager. And at the same time, try to download any app as possible. If your mobile phone permits, download कीजिए, unnecessarily मत कीजिए. But at least you should be having WhatsApp, which almost everybody is having. You should be having mail installed on your mobile phone. It will come handy. You should be Have other shopping apps installed on your mobile phone so that you get well versed of ordering online, receiving online, paying your payment online, paying bills online. So this is all what is needed, which we all are doing every day. We are doing it directly or indirectly, and this are the good sign of a good digital manager. If you want to create a job opportunity, or you want to get yourself appointed as a digital manager in a good professional organization, these are only 2-3 things which are needed. Communication will always be there. When I talk about marketing, communication has to be there. You know 3 languages, you know 4 language, and you have mastery on 2 or 3, nothing like that. जितने ज़्यादा languages आपके please एक आपकी national language, international language, national language, and state language is compulsory. But if you know more than this, then probably you can reach out to more audience, because English is globally spoken, but the most spoken, maybe you can count it amongst the most spoken language. But Chinese is again one of the most spoken because of their size of population. But since we don't have good, what I would say, do good terms with China, probably I won't promote Chinese, but something like French language is there, which is again next spoken language after English in Europe. If you are able to take a command on this language, then probably you can target the audience, international audience for international products in Europe, because French language is the most spoken language after English. Most of the European countries, they do prefer French language. So first thing is command on your language. Even to start with, you can have average language, or you can have average command, or you will not be very good also. Even then you can start, you can slowly and steadily, because see, it's not a one-day job. It is a continuous process. Till the time you are alive, you will keep on improvising and improvising and improvising. And even your entire life is not sufficient to learn any one particular language. Forget about 2 languages. To have a mastery or to have a command, to know the entire vocabulary is very difficult. So, but even though it's very difficult, but it is not impossible. You can always start right from the scratch, right from zero. You can always start. नहीं सर, मैं तो मराठी मीडियम में पढ़ा है, मैं तो हिंदी मीडियम में पढ़ा हूँ, तो मैं इंग्लिश में कैसे मान ला पाऊंगा? But my dear friend, if you want to be a good digital manager, you need to have command on English. You can take my word. Then utilizing and using these technologies, because the technology keeps on changing every day. Every day there are certain changes. Like Google Meet, for example, previously it was free for almost you can continue your meeting with for 24 hours. Now they have put a restriction like Zoom, 40-45 minutes, and you have to take a break, or you have to relog, or you have to purchase. It is not coming for free. So you should be, because with all these updates, you should be able to adopt to the new change. As Dr. Saibras has rightly said, and as Dr. Rao has rightly kept this workshop, the reason is simple, so that you come to know what are the coming opportunities, what are the present avenues that are available for the commerce graduate. Commerce बोला तो usually अपन खुद का impression कर लेते, because even I am M.Com graduate. I have my M.Com and sir has rightly said earlier, I am state commerce also. But commerce बोला जाए तो we are not non-technical people, हमें कुछ नहीं आता. ये misconception निकाल दीजिए. Take out this misconception from your mind and see to it that you adopt to this technology. And it's not, let me tell you, it is not very difficult. My father, he was dead against mobile phone when it was introduced way back in 2000, 2001, 2000, when I had my first mobile phone in the year 2000. He said, this is hopeless thing. I prefer landline because I'm comfortable with it. But once he started using this mobile phone, the mobile phone which he requested was a simple Nokia phone which used to come only with a keypad, but with a feature of giving a call and receiving a call. But once he started getting the advantages of this new technology, he slowly and steadily kept on asking for new models of mobile phone, including the Android. He asked, at the last stage of his life, he was so adaptive to this mobile phone that once the product which he hated, he started enjoying that product. So if a person who is above 70 can change himself, why can't people like me? Even I was quite reluctant using this online payment because whether it is secure, whether it is having privacy, whether it can cause harm to my savings. So a lot many questions were there. But let me tell you, if you use it cautiously, with caution, everything is very tightly secured. There is hardly any scope for fraud, provided you do not share your OTP with the sort of message we always get from bank. Don't provide your OTP, don't provide your PIN number, don't provide your card number, credit card number to anybody, even if the person is coming from the bank. If you just take this small precaution, this digital technology is only for the advantage of human being. If it is done properly, without addiction, let me tell you, we need not get addicted to WhatsApp, we need not get addicted to email, Facebook. Again, I have seen people are so addicted that right from early morning, they keep on marketing themselves. Went to take a sabji baza gaya tha, वहाँ एक selfie ले लिया. Then went to garden, वहाँ एक selfie. Then went to watch shopping. Then went to mall. Went to movie. Everywhere, they're so addicted. Every time they keep on posting what they are doing. They want to market them. They want the world to come to know what sort of person they are. But slowly and steadily, they become addicted to this technology, which is the precaution we have to take. If we take this precaution, then definitely we have to keep a work balance between our life, social life, and the digital life. If, as a digital manager, you are able to do that, then you will be the most ethical and most efficient digital manager, digital marketing manager. I will use the word because it goes with commerce graduate, where technical skills are not, I mean, the software skill. Technical skills are needed in terms of using these platforms. You should be able to handle, you should be able to know how to post, what sort of message to post, post is correctly, without errors, without grammatical mistakes, without spelling mistakes. So you should be able to utilize all this thing properly. So this is all I can say for today's topic. The topic was career opportunities for commerce students and commerce student in digital marketing. So I hope all of you followed my English, my language. I hope I was slow and I was not very fast, but I have to cover most of the thing, even though I have curtailed from 30 slides to 5 slides, because I was knowing I'll need at least an hour time to cover up this 5 slides. Thank you all for your patient listening. In case you have any queries, you can post it to Dr. Raut. Intern can post it to me, or you can email those queries on my email address also. My email address is Mukul Burghate, MUKUL. You can just take it down, MUKUL BURGHATE @gmail.com. I can repeat, MUKUL BURGHATE @gmail.com. In fact, I want to cover up again many other things where there, like as search engine optimization, a bit of technical aspect I wanted to cover, but I think maybe other session when I get an opportunity to interact it with you, I'll try to go in depth on various small aspects of digital marketing. But for the time being, just follow the hints or the advice I've given to you, and you can in no time be a good digital manager, and you can create a niche for yourself. You can stand out from a non-graduate person who is not a digital guy and person who is using all this platform for your own advantage and for the advantage of the organization. Thank you so much, all of you. Once again, thank you, Dr. Sairab Chavan sir and his team, Dr. R.A. Raut sir, for giving me such a wonderful opportunity as an opening batsman. Today was the first session. I hope all of you followed and enjoyed. I want your feedback. You can send it to Dr. R.A. Raut sir. If you have liked my lecture, even if you felt certain things have missed out, certain thing were not understood, you can put your feedback to R.A. Raut sir. Over to Raut sir. Raut sir, I think I'll conclude my session. Hello. Hello. Raut sir, I think that is all for me.
Kindly conclude message based is the.
Over to you, sir. You are requested to give your feedback and anything which you feel that you want to ask to me. I have given you my email address. You can please give an email on my email number, or else you can WhatsApp me also. Okay. Thank you all of you once again.
हॅलो बस 2 मिनिटं होल्ड करा चालू करतो माईक.
Okay. So I think that is all for today. I hope again.
Hello. 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 Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for sharing information. Yes, yes. I hear, sir. Your voice is. Yes, yes. Audible, sir. Hello. Audible, sir. Hello. 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 हॅलो. हां 2 मिनिटं सर 2 मिनिटं मी कंक्लूड करत आहे. ठीक आहे. हॅलो. hello. Sir, thank you very much, sir, for sharing knowledge regarding digital marketing to our students, which will definitely help the students. And I am also thankful to our principal, Dr. Sahibrao Chauhan, sir, for giving me opportunity to conduct these types of lecture series. And today is our first lecture. And I am also very thankful to Professor Agrawal, sir, who is providing here a totally technical support for conducting this lecture. And tomorrow's lecture is guest lecture is by Rahul Vaidya, sir, and schedule may be on 11:30 p.m. So student can kindly note the schedule of tomorrow's lecture. Rahul Vaidya, sir, on how to prepare for competitive examinations, especially for bank probationary and clerical examination. And schedule is slightly changed, and instead of 12 o'clock, it starts tomorrow on 1:30 p.m. Students should kindly note the change schedule of tomorrow's lecture. Tomorrow's lecture will be on 11:30 p.m. So thank you to all of you.